Good morning, guys. Greeting from Unlock Core Technology. In this tutorial, I have explaining the top interview question answer of Lambda expression, which is the new feature of Java 8. So let's continue. First question is, what is Lambda expression? A Lambda expression is simply a function without any names. It can even be used as a parameter in a function. Lambda expression facilitates functional programming and simplifies development a lot. Next is syntax of the Lambda expression. Here we have used the three key parameters. First is number one is a parameter is a Lambda expression can have 0 or more parameters included in parentheses. Second is arrow tokens. The arrow token separate the parameter from the body of the lambda. Third is body. A body of the lambda contains expression of a statement describing the method functionality. Here we have the parenthesis. We apply the parameter and we sign second number sign the arrow tokens here, and after that we write the body or curly braces or in curly braces. So we given the example with lambda expression and without lambda expression. Here we have create a interface. Interface name is my function. We apply the two parameters without lambda function. Initially we have to write then apply the a parameter of integer, and after with lambda expression we have to write the interface my functional, and we apply the add a parenthesis and to arrow token, and after that we directly add the parameters. So, and after that we have to adding this and get out the result of the x and y. Third question is why use lambda expression? Lambda expression in Java are a powerful features that provide several key benefits. First is conciseness. Lambda expression allow you to write instance of anonymous classes more concisely. This make the code easier to read and maintain. Second is functional programming. Lambda expression enable functional programming concept in Java. You can pass function as method arguments, returns them as value, and perform operation like mapping and filtering or collection more naturally. Next is readability. By reducing boilerplate code, lambda expression can make the main logic of a program more apparent. The concise syntax allow for clear expression of the computational or acting being performed. Next is parallel execution support. Lambdas work well with the Stream API, which support parallel execution. This make it easier to write parallel code, leveraging multi-core processors without having to deal with low level threading details. Next is less verbose. Unlike anonymous inner classes, lambda expression are less verbose. You don't need to name the class, declare the method, or even type the input parameter. Strong typing. Lambda expressions are strongly typed. The compiler infers the type of parameters, returns values and exceptional, which can be lead to more robust code. Scope flexibility. Lambda expression have access to final variable or effectively final variable from the surrounding scope, allowing more natural encapsulation of behavior. Interoperability. Lambda can be used where functional interfaces are accept, providing great interoperability with existing code, libraries and framework that use functional interface. Next question is how to write lambda expression to create a thread. This is the most important question mostly asked in interviews. So we have to write using a runnable interface. First we have to create the runnable interface X, and it is applying with the constructor and applying for the for loop. This is running with the 5 times, and after it we have creating a extending class named thread class, and we have to write the object my thread, and we have to write it and passing the task, and after that it start my thread dot start. Using a thread class we have to direct apply for a thread class constructor. We have to write the my thread is the object, and here in constructor we apply the for loop initialize 0 to 5 and running and the thread, and after it we have to write it we have to start it the thread my thread dot starts. And next question is how lambda expression and functional interface are related. The main use of lambda expression is to provide an implementation for functional interface. A lambda expression provides a compact and expressive way to create instance of functional interface, implementing the interface single abstract method with the body of lambda. This relationship promotes a more functional programming style in Java, allowing for more concise and readable code. Example, lambda expression provides an implementation for printable and functional interface. We have to create a printable interface, and we write a method of print for passing the message, and after that we create a class, example string parameter, and after in the class we have to override the print method and extend the interface of printable, and we have to apply the lambda expression. Here is the printable, we have to write is the printable object and passing the message, and after that we have the this is the statement complete, and after that it is print in console line. So this is the relationship between the functional programming and lambda expression. So thanks for watching this. Next video we have to talking about stream APIs in Java. Thank you. Thank you for